Nah, man, Top Chef are the best, man. Right now, best thing in our Weston right now.
So when you get the soup, you're gonna get, you see, you can get the goat head, the goat foot, everything in it.
Yeah.
Everything you get. Sure, if I come up by tree. Okay? See the group, see the texture.
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Yeah.
See it? Look.
All of these what you see here,
Yeah.
after we don't finish cook,
Yes.
we're gonna wash out again and re-cook again.
Wagwan, guys. Welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Yes, guys, today we're in Toronto. Yes, guys, and we're here to check out this restaurant. We're talking about Top Chef JA. Yes, guys, Top Chef JA. Yes, guys, so right now, you're seeing it all over social media where all of those food influencers come on down here and they try the food and they tell you how it tastes. But right now, I'm gonna bring you in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how the chef cooks the food. All right, so let's go. All right, I'm here with the owner and the chef,
Andre.
Andre. Yeah,
Call
man.
me Top Chef. Anywhere you call me Top Chef.
Yes.
Food.
All right. You cook some real authentic Jamaican food.
All fresh.
All right. Yes. So how much pound of goat you have there?
60 pound of goat.
60 pound of goat.
60 pound of goat, natural ram goat.
Natural ram goat. All right. Here with the chef, you know. So what you make now, chef?
So we have some cooked dumpling.
Some cooked dumpling.
Yeah man, caramel night, well bad.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Nice, nice. Yeah, man. Some dumplings and with some ground provision, right?
Yeah man.
Okay.
Yeah man, then thing, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Bring it back to Jamaica.
Jamaican style.
Yes. All right. Look at that, guys.
Yeah man, see you know man. Jacket in it.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, them too big, you know?
Can't make them too big. Yes. What the chef name?
Sean.
Sean.
Yeah man.
Okay. So how long you been cooking for?
About a year.
About a year.
Yeah.
All right.
So make straight yellow yam, make breakfast, lunch anyway, yellow
Yeah.
yam with dumpling.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, get Akee and saltfish.
Yes.
Get some steamed fish. Curry goat same way.
Yeah.
Yellow yam.
So what we can expect in the morning now? What you gonna be cooking in the morning?
Akee and saltfish, curry chicken, fried dumpling, festival.
Everything. Almost everything.
Almost everything you're gonna get.
All right.
Boiled dumpling same way.
Okay. So you say some good jerk chicken.
Yeah man, some well proper jerk seasoned up,
Yes.
well marinated and ready to go in the oven.
Nice. Nice. So you have these jerk chicken well seasoned and marinated for what? Over a couple days now or
No sir, 1 day.
1 day.
Fresh. We're fresh. When I keep chicken more than 1 day.
But you say you don't keep chicken more than one?
1 day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get them ready from the night, gone by the day.
Okay, so them fresh.
Fresh. Every day fresh.
Yes. Yes, nice, nice. Some good authentic Jamaican jerk chicken.
Yeah man.
Steam in the oven for 25 minutes, then put on the jerk pan.
Okay. You can smell the seasoning that come off of that, the aroma.
The real jerk seasoning the bandits.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pimento, garlic.
Yeah. Everything. Nice, nice.
We blend up a season them,
Yes.
you know. Everything we scale every time, everything. Get them ready.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, cut up a season them, clean up a season with chicken them, cut them up,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
get them ready to go.
Alright. So chef, what you say you have here now? Some stew peas?
2 peas pigtail one. Okay?
Yeah.
See the pigtail them there?
Yes.
A whole seal bucket of pigtail.
Oh gosh. Look on the pot, guys. Look on a big pot. So chef, this gonna finish by today?
In a second.
In a
Everything.
second.
You can see everything fresh.
Everything fresh.
Right now I'm putting on spinners.
Yeah.
You know, old time where 2 peas, you have to spinners them.
Yes.
I'm start put them in a pot right now, get it ready.
Alright.
Guys, rolling the spinners them.
Yeah. Cause guys, as you can see, look how big this pot is right here. Oh gosh. So, chef, give me a little rundown what you have on the fire so far.
Okay, right now we have rice and peas. Steam.
Wow. Look here, guys.
Coconut milk.
You can smell it from here, so the
Everything.
aroma.
Yeah, everything fresh. Now yesterday rice and peas. Put in our
Everything fresh.
no microwave.
No microwave.
No microwave. No microwave. Burn that.
Oh gosh. You see that, guys? They say
Look.
they don't use no microwave in here. So every day you cook. Every day.
Every day you can look inside there. Look. Look in the fridge, them no old food, nothing.
Yes. And
Okay.
so chef, with all these big pot what I see you have on the stove, everything gonna finish today?
Oh, in a second.
Oh gosh, guys, you hear that? Next hour. Oh,
We cook again.
all right.
Alright?
That's
this
right.
This yellow pan right now, we're gonna cook again after.
You're gonna cook again after.
Keep cooking.
All right. And the next pot of rice and peas.
Yeah, man. See there?
Oh gosh, guys, look at that. What? Yes.
You have to put the steam, you know?
Yes.
Okay, see?
Gosh. Yeah, man. Okay.
Alright. Oxtail a bubble. Big pot of oxtail.
Oh gosh, chef.
See, look at them.
Yes. So this put in from, you see guys, slowly cook.
See?
Oh gosh.
See, slowly cook.
Yes.
And the seasoning of onion, garlic, everything natural.
Okay. Me not telling a lie, you know, chef. One time I come in the kitchen here, you know, you can smell the aroma from the food, them, you know, that's coming. Even the oxtail right now. Gosh, guys, look how big that pot is. And the chef said he's gonna finish by today.
So now we have manish water.
Yeah.
We have the pumpkin. Pumpkin a boil. Okay. We throw in the goat with the goat head.
Steam coming from that.
Two big pot of soup.
Oh
Start.
gosh.
See that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have put in goat.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we put the goat head, we are pre-cook.
Okay.
And then we just everything ready
All
for the
right.
soup.
So you say you're gonna do ackee and saltfish?
Akee and saltfish, you're gonna see everything done.
All right.
Akee and saltfish, real Akee and saltfish.
Yes.
Doing rice.
Slowly steaming down.
Yeah, see the fire?
Yeah. So chef, how long you been cooking for now?
To be honest, from 15.
From you're 15 years
15
old?
years old. So a lot of cooking.
All right.
Fully.
Cooking from Jamaica?
From Jamaica.
Okay, so what inspired you to turn a chef or become, you know, a chef?
To be honest, it's a job I really love. Like, I dedicate full time. Okay, first time start cook for my grandmother.
Your grandmother?
Yeah, and she love it.
Oh.
And from start to cook.
And you never stop from there?
Never stop. Okay?
Yes.
They never go to school for cooking and then find myself do full cooking. Afterward, just to finish the course. You see me here?
Yes.
Cook for the Ministry of Finance in Jamaica.
Yes. From there, that's it. Nice.
Finance of pinch. Okay.
Yeah. It's a pinch, roll and dash.
Yeah.
So like these manish water, you don't really count how much dumpling you put in there.
To be honest, you just put dumpling.
You just put dumpling.
Try to cover everything, you know?
Yeah.
You don't have to really say, okay, you're gonna put 10 dumplings, 5 dumplings, just make a lot.
Right, right.
Okay, you know, I'm a special like, okay, yeah, we're gonna put 20 dumpling in there.
Yeah.
Can be 100, whatever, 150, just to look at to cover the pot.
Okay.
Okay, so you have enough food in there. So you're gonna put dumpling, yam, carrot.
Yeah, man. And how long you been here? How long Top Chef been here at Weston Road and Jane?
This one only 5 months.
5 months?
Yeah,
Wow. Because I get to understand you have 2 locations, right?
2 location, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So where's the next one? Where's the next one? Where's the next location?
That's Jane and Wilson.
Okay.
Jane and Wilson,
Yes.
that's the main location.
Okay. Yes. Because, you know, and I have quite a few requests that I have to come and check out Top Chef JA restaurant to show them behind the
It's
scenes.
JA Cuisine.
JA Cuisine.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So-
the other restaurant is
Same.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
JA Cuisine. If
Okay.
you don't use JA Cuisine,
Yeah.
you'll never find it.
Okay.
So you have Top Chef, JA Cuisine.
Okay. How you start?
First we start in a liquor bar.
Okay.
That's Jane and Weston and Lawrence. Jane and Lawrence,
Yes.
small liquor bar, small kitchen, just one stove.
Mm-hmm.
And we start there. Cook
Yes.
one small pot,
Yes.
okay?
Yes.
And there we start, people come try, they try, and then we get excess.
And they love the food from there.
Yeah. So we move on to Jane and Wilson.
Okay. So how long ago was that?
That's over 3 years now.
Over 3 years now. So how long you been at the other location?
2 years.
2 years. Nice, guys. Look at that.
So we're supposed to be closing like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Can't reach that time there. Never reach that time. Food finish.
Food finish?
Every day before time.
With all of these pot that I see you guys have
And we're
here.
still gonna cook again same way.
So what time you open and what time you close?
So we're open for 9.
Yeah.
Serving 9. And we're supposed to close 11 o'clock, 12. Between 11 and 12. We never
Tonight?
reach- yeah. But we never reach that time. Check on it, make sure say kitchen at bottom, everything run free.
Yes.
Smooth.
Let's look at the
Get-
steam
get
coming
the
from
tender.
that. Yes.
When it's tender, then we season up it. Get it ready to come butter bean.
Yeah. 'Cause you have to have your butter bean in
After
the
our
oxtail.
butter bean.
Yes.
After our butter bean night. So
Yes.
it's all butter bean and oxtail. You see spinners in there now?
Yes.
You see spinners,
Yes.
everything are cooking, pimento, garlic.
Yes.
That's it. When you get mashed, these are get mashed, and you get the body inside there.
Yes. Guys, you can't even see the pot good because the steam that coming from the pot. Yeah, man. Look at that, chef. Man. The aroma where come from this. It's a better pack, chef.
Better pack, straight better pack. We don't use not but better pack.
Oh gosh. Guys.
So you don't get the curry, we'll put in our fridge and cook again. Straight one cook.
One cook. See that, guys? Straight one cook. Yes, chef. So you say looking about now?
Some carrot nice and diced up for the soups.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, well neat and
Yes.
ready to eat.
Yeah. Okay, you know you have to have your carrot in the soup.
Have to
Yes. Yes.
build the soup, the body of the soup, you know?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Just like that.
Yes.
Dice up nice and fine, you know?
Yeah,
ready
man.
for the soup.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are the carrots for soup, one of soup,
Okay.
one pot of it.
So, what is chef name?
You know, see, Indian though.
Indian.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how long you been cooking for?
Been cooking for a while, you know? Like, from I was 15, 16 growing up.
Yes.
Yeah.
In Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what inspired you to become a chef?
You know, father side of family. You know, my grandfather, my great-grandfather. You know, all of them are chefs, so growing up with them,
Yes.
you know, they cook a lot of different type of foods, you know, I experienced that, so I always like to eat a lot of food, so, you know, I go and cook too, you know?
Exactly.
So,
Yes.
learn from them, see what them do, taste what them cook, you know, try to you know, put it
Yes.
together.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
yeah, everybody in my family, father side, love to cook, you know. So
Yes, yes.
that's what our tradition is.
nice.
Yeah.
So that motivates you and inspire you to become a chef.
Yeah.
So the rice is steamed down, chef.
Yeah, man. Get steam out.
Yeah.
See?
Yes. You can see the steam coming from that, and the coconut milk. Just,
Coconut milk. If you something you can look and find a pimento green in it, everything natural.
Yes.
Thyme, pimento,
Yes.
pepper. No powder season.
No powder season.
No powder season. Straight, everything natural.
Okay. Oh,
You see, one pot of boiled food done finish already. Put it in the warmer.
yeah.
So,
These are potato for the soup as well.
Oh,
Nice and clean.
yeah. Wash. And
Wash always. Yeah. Don't want to chop them too fine so them boil out of the soup, you know.
Oh, so you have to chop them a little bit big.
Big, so you know.
Yes.
Customer then can say yes, then get food in them plate.
Right, right.
Just like that.
Just like that. Yes, guys, as you can see now, the temperature outside is crazy, cold. But right now we're inside the kitchen, and I'm not telling you, like, the chef them turning up the heat in the kitchen with all of these amazing pots you see in the background. As you can see, soup, we talk about stew peas, we talk about curry goat, we talk about what, oxtail, and him said they have many more to come, guys. Gosh, this is what you call cooking. Yeah, man. So you know, say yeah, Kelvin and friends cook up. You see, guys, we're bringing you behind the scenes, showing you how the chef them do their cooking. Yeah, man. Yes. What are you doing here now, chef?
Stew peas again.
Stew peas again.
You know, people don't like pork. So
Yes.
they pork, you get a chicken foot.
Chicken foot.
Chicken foot stew peas.
Ah.
No beef, no red meat, just straight chicken foot.
Straight chicken foot. Nice, nice. So right now you wash your peas.
Wash the peas, throw it in the pot,
Oh,
pot
okay.
ready again.
Yes. See that, guys? Gosh. Ready for our next two piece.
Chicken foot this.
Okay.
Big and fluffy.
Yes.
Get a good one, just chop him.
Nice, nice. So you make that boil with the red peas.
Fry with the peas. Cut the peas. I'm gonna use the hard peas, soft kidney bean.
Okay.
Easy cook.
Yes.
Easy cook.
Yes.
Okay. And then we put the garlic, everything in at the same time.
Okay.
Garlic, onion. Garlic, onion, pepper, pimento.
Okay.
Natural. Thyme.
Everything. All right. As we chef saying, this one is just chicken foot stew peas, as you can see, and then this one over here is the pigtail. Pigtail and what?
Only pigtail.
Only pigtail.
No red meat.
No red meat. All right, guys. See, this big pot of stew peas right here is just pigtail stew peas, and then right here, the chef have chicken foot stew peas.
No pork.
No pork. So for all the people that don't eat pork, so they can get them chicken foot stew peas same way. Yeah, man. So you know you're getting the real natural saltfish. We talk about codfish. See, the chef picking it off the bone right there. Yeah, man. Look at this, guys. Look at that.
Okay, so right now we have a governor choice.
Governor choice.
One of the best Akee, straight Jamaica Akee.
This one come from Jamaica.
Straight Jamaica. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, now we open it.
Yeah.
I'll show you something. Okay, we strain it off. Okay?
Yes.
So the pig and look.
Yes.
Okay? You can use hot water to wash it. So hot water, only hot water. So
Only hot water.
hot.
Yes.
People just dash it out, we just throw it like this. So everything come out all the same way.
Okay, so you just don't dash it down like that because you crush it.
You want to cook it nice, small, see?
Yes. Nice.
Okay. Normal people say they use tinaki.
Yeah.
And it tastes good. Because it's a chemical to cure it. Preserve it to keep it.
Yes.
So now we're going to use hot water to wash it completely.
Okay.
Hot water,
Yes.
only hot water we use.
Okay, so the hot water wash off all the chemicals.
Off of it first. All that chemical will come off of it.
Okay.
It's already cooked. Okay. Then,
But you said you use the saltfish water.
yeah.
Yes.
Look at the peg when it's done firm and pretty now.
Yes. Yes.
Just like a dust pick out every tree.
Yes.
Just cook it like grandma cooking. You know pretty look now?
Yeah, man, and yellow and nice.
Yellow and nice. Just that water again. Steam it out.
So I prep some seasoning to the Akee and saltfish, you know. So
Okay.
this is onion, so the onion have to dice up a little bit finer.
Yes.
So you know, so we don't have a big chunk of onion in our Akee.
Okay, so what you use, you have your so far you have your onion and your tomato right here.
Yeah. I wanna do a bag of seasoning now.
Okay. Keep it natural.
Keep it natural, that's the main ingredients, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to have the spice here too, you know, chef.
Yeah, man.
So you have the hot pepper.
Scotch bonnet, real thing, you know?
Yes, yes.
Everything a real thing, real.
Yeah.
I don't know in a demon country we have everything real and fake, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we have to get the real thing then.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, man. So this are the Scotch bonnet, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, straight off farm, you know?
Yeah.
Real thing.
Nice.
Yeah, man, so everything dice up and
Ready?
ready for the Akee, you know?
Yes, yes. Alright. See that, guys? Gosh.
Yeah, man. One piece, you know? Not too much fancy work, or not.
Yes. Everything clean, yes.
Everything clean and up, you know?
Yes, yes.
Nice.
Yes, yes. You have to keep the place clean, man. The food you deal with, you know. You know, say you have food, so you have to make sure the place well clean, right? Yeah.
I use this.
What you say now, chef? What you gonna do now, chef?
Akee and saltfish. Time. Okay, so first, put on the pot.
Yeah.
Oil. Not too much oil.
Not too much oil. Yeah.
Then make that go on hot.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna put the season, we marinate, start 30 minutes.
Yes.
So get a hot meantime. We're going hot meantime. We're gonna make Akee and saltfish. You have a tomato dice up, onion, because Scotch bonnet pepper,
Yes.
all that. Okay. You sound. You get season hot. Start steam up. Okay.
Got that, guys.
Make this cooking, onion and tomato cook
Yeah.
before you put saltfish.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna cook in.
Alright. Nice.
Can chop a bit of time in it, but
Yes.
don't cut it up. Never cut it up. As much as we love garlic, never
Yeah.
use garlic in an Akee.
Never use garlic in Akee?
No,
Why? Why?
because Akee is like a vegetable.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Meat, we use garlic in meat. But
Oh.
vegetable, you don't use garlic in vegetable.
Okay.
Okay? To get the flavor. See? Then I make this all this cook out, make sure the onion proper cook. You know, the Akee just soft, tender.
Nice.
No, you're not gonna eat a crunchy onion.
Yes.
Everything
Yes.
cook in.
Yeah.
Leave it cook. See the color start getting now? How the color? Okay, just ready for the saltfish now. So the season cook. Ready for the saltfish. So we're gonna add the saltfish now.
Okay.
Saltfish. black pepper, just to make it not too much black pepper.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So Akee, have you have black pepper in it?
Yes. The must.
So now, like the time now, you pick up the time back. We need the time in there again. The time is only for flavor, it's a flavor. So we pick it back.
Okay.
There's a good flavor in it, there's a trick.
Okay. I see.
So pick up back all the time back. You don't want the time in it. That's how we don't cut all the time, we just drop it in there, just to get it go.
Okay, little flavor in it.
Yeah, little flavor, you have to put it back.
Okay.
Take it out back so nobody not get time to eat.
Yes.
You don't even know it's 89.
Yes.
Okay. So we move the saltfish one side. Okay. Move it one side. Okay, now when you see cook some Akee and saltfish, they just mash them up.
Yes.
Okay, so we got cutting that, we drain it off. See? All drain out, no water in it. And then we had it in. Okay, slide them out like this. Okay,
Yes.
okay, one side. Then we had our saltfish on top now.
Yeah.
Just like come up by tree.
Just like we come off the tree.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, guys.
Okay. Now you're gonna sample it and tell me how it tastes.
Alright.
Okay, so you tell me if it tastes like Akee and saltfish.
Akee and saltfish.
Okay, if it don't taste good, honest, tell me it tastes good.
Yeah man, no,
So, yeah, it doesn't taste good.
I give the honest review because right now the taste.
Fork.
Alright.
Okay, give me a sample.
Alright. Yes.
Yeah, saltfish.
Yeah man.
Tell me how it tastes.
Yeah. Yes guys, as you can see, our chef, we're cooking the Akee. And he said, you know what? You have to try it and tell me how it tastes. And you can see, the only thing the chef really put on it is some black pepper. He said, chef say he don't use no powder season at all. Just few like black pepper and few other season, but you don't really use much powder season for the food. Everything natural. Alright, so we're just gonna try it and let the guys know how it tastes. Look at that. Yes. Yes guys, so. Flavor there man, nice. And chef, you notice me not even see you put no seasoned salt, nothing or no seasoning on it. And the flavor there, nice texture. Only black pepper. And you guys see that. And the flavor there, Akee nice, tastes good man. Tastes good man.
Tell me how it tastes like. Tastes like Akee come by tree, or it tastes like tinaki? Which one?
You see, I'm not gonna lie chef, it tastes real good, the flavor there. But you see when you taste the real Akee off the tree, you know say it's a little bit fresher and nice, but for your tin Akee tastes real good. Real good. Flavor there. Yeah man, big up yourself chef. Food, nice so far. Yeah man.
So these are the goated, try and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this you're gonna put in your manish water. So this wash and clean and everything.
Wash and clean and cut up.
Yeah.
I will cut up our own goated, clean our own goated, get it ready so there's no, you know,
Try
everything
the
clean,
the food.
pretty.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
it tastes a real manish water.
Yes.
Think of a dead yard, they call it dead yard manish water.
The real ram goat.
Real ram goat.
Yes. Yes.
Pimento seed, always.
Pimento seed.
Pimento seed, thyme, garlic, pepper, onion, that's natural.
Oh, so you're gonna season it up now? Okay. Nice.
So I'm dice up some seasoning for the oxtail though.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Get onion ready, you know.
Okay.
everything natural. Tomato.
Everything natural.
No powder, no.
No. Tomato.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ready for the oxtail and now, nice and clean and pretty, you know.
Okay.
You know, everything what we have to deal with, we have to make sure everything clean and fresh, you know. No
Yes.
stale seasoning, no dirty food, everything nice and pretty.
All right.
You know, we already, we have to use tongue because we used to cooking, you know.
Yes, yes.
Every too trouble with you see it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
As long as you're a chef, you're in a kitchen long enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold it and come on it.
Let's look at that.
So one store, because we don't want to store it too much time to mash out the meat, you know.
Yes, yes. As you can see, it's slowly cooking too, you know?
Slowly steaming. Cooking.
Yeah.
We don't cook food in a haste, you know.
You don't cook food in a haste?
We make the food cook proper.
Time. Always there is time in that.
Huh? Lift it up. Wow. And the time give it that flavor too, you know, chef.
Yeah.
Yes. Where's the chef?
Garlic. Always use garlic. That's the key thing.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic is a must.
Almost every pot garlic.
Nice. Yes. See there, guys? Yeah, customer come early already. Yeah, man. So before you put the bean, chef, you have to make sure say
Make
well
sure
cooked.
everything soft, tender, good to go. If
Okay.
you're not tender, you can't put the bean in it, okay? Because oxtail.
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Look at
Oxtail.
that. Yeah.
Now mash out. Take time to get tender.
Yes.
Alright? That take about 10 more minutes until the bean season cooking.
Yes.
Season cooking, then we put the bean. Add the bean, the last thing for bean. You have a butter bean
Yeah.
with look, you can see the bean them,
Yes.
not a bean. So you can get the bean in your butter in your oxtail. See?
Right, right. Nice. Look at that, guys.
Butter beans, remember? Not a bean. I always find bean everywhere, guys. Tell me you have to get bean in your oxtail.
You have to get bean in your oxtail.
Look,
Oh
look,
gosh.
come at the bean.
Yeah.
So all I'm gonna cook in right now. Okay.
Nice.
So now I'm gonna just get a sample of it and tell me how it is.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, guys, you see?
See? There's the oxtail there.
Yo. Yes, guys.
Tell me the taste.
Alright. Yes, guys. So right now, we're gonna try the oxtail and let you guys know how it tastes. Yeah. Yes, guys. Look at that. Yeah, man. See it there? Fall off the bone. Look at that, guys. Oh gosh. Huh? Yeah. Nice, man. Put lots of flavor. Nice. Yeah, man. Nice and tender. Full of flavor. Can taste the seasoning into it, you know? Yeah, man. Nice. And then as you can see, guys, the butter bean right here. Guys, me not exaggerate, but this food tastes real good. Real good, man. Chef. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Flavor. Nice.
Tastes like you eat a meal?
Yeah. What do you mean, chef? Cause you know, yeah. This is, as I say, this is just sample for taste. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, man. I go on, man. Up.
This is the oxtail you want to go for your mouth?
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Two man have to take off the big pot of oxtail, you know?
This is when you have dead yard. You say manish water, so we use green banana.
Yes.
Okay, so we have a green banana. We use to get the younger one, them, not the big, heavy duty one. Them. It's small one them.
Younger one them.
Yeah, so wash them out. So these have to wash them because we have to use the skin. Okay, they will cook with the skin.
Okay.
So there's this. Okay, so wash them out.
When you wash it off, when you cook it with the skin give it that flavor, right?
Yeah, you get everything about the skin of the iron in it, you know, so you get the flavor of the ram good.
Yes.
So you get real manish water if you want to get taste like a manish water. So now, you do, take out this part, okay?
Yes.
Take off the tip, like the black part there, half, everything half, okay? Then we slice them up like this.
Okay. A really top chef, you know, man.
See?
Yes, guys.
So there's no tip. Tip off. So you see the mark?
Yes.
Straight yard banana.
Yes, because
Jamaica banana.
yes, because when time they import it, they mark it to know where it come from, and this
Yeah.
it came from Jamaica.
Straight Jamaica.
All right.
And then we can't use too much though. If we use too much, it's gonna become staining.
Okay, so you can't
Can't overdo it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So this for the both pot, 2 pot.
Okay.
This amount.
Yes.
Okay?
Don't even look, eh?
You don't have to look. Just cut. Same size, done.
All right.
So put the manish water same way.
Yeah.
Okay, you just half, put them in half.
Yeah.
It's 1 pot. Okay. Then next pot. Half again. See, not too much.
Yes.
Compare see with the amount of you have here.
So you just split it in half. You just
Yeah.
share it in half.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not even see you use any powder season.
No seasoned salt.
Nothing.
None of that stuff.
Oh gosh.
Everything natural. The only thing we use, like
Yes.
the chicken, fried chicken, we have to have little powder season. It's not natural, Maggie season. That's the only thing.
That's the
Straight
only
from yard.
thing.
Everything from yard.
Oh.
Everything from yard. No seasoned salt, all those stuff. Don't really use those stuff.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Give me some time. Yeah, time. Always use thyme and garlic. That's the main thing we use. Thyme, garlic. Guess what? I cook the best pork, but don't eat pork.
You cook the best pork.
But don't eat pork.
You don't eat pork?
No.
Alright.
And if you taste it, you're gonna tell me, yo, this is real pork.
Real pork. Alright. So
But
I
don't
guess
eat it.
I
So-
guess me have to try that today then, right?
So main topic, you don't have to worry, say, oh, they cook pork in here, so we can't really eat nothing.
Yes.
I don't eat pork, but we can eat everything else. Because I don't eat pork. So
Right.
don't no mix with the pork. Pork
Right.
cook by himself.
Yes, because we notice you do the stew peas, you do the pigtail stew peas separate from the chicken foot.
Foot over there, so cook separate.
Yes.
So no mix up with it.
Right.
Pork there by himself.
Nice.
So Rasta man can say, yo, we can still eat.
Alright.
Okay.
And you do your vegetarian dish same way.
Same way.
Alright.
And then we're gonna have the conch soup for the Rasta man. That not ready yet. So we start the conch soup.
Alright.
So because we still have fire space we don't have.
Yes.
You just can see here, we're gonna have this stove. Need a little bit more space. If we have more space, we have everything lined out.
Right, right.
But by
Yeah,
the time 9 o'clock, we're fire.
Alright. Alright.
Look, that's how stew peas supposed to look. See, I get thick, little by little can get thick. So the peas, look at the difference now. And before you do white, see it get darker. Okay? See the look, see the texture. The look, you spin them up, see how way.
Nice and thick and juicy, guys.
Yeah. But all you can notice if you see like a pimento seed, and you get to like a pimento seed,
Yes.
and you're gonna see pimento seed, pimento, all the way.
Nice.
Everything natural. We cut up the pepper, country pepper.
Yes.
We buy it by the box. Pepper box, garlic by the box. That's all we're gonna use.
So those stuff are something where you have to have in the kitchen.
Have to have.
So say, spice it up, chef.
Yeah. Spice them up,
Yes.
stir them up, see you get the body where you want that stewed peas.
Yeah.
You need the body, you don't need the water again. So it's gonna be nice soup. See, just be there and off, juicy. All you can find is like everything natural. Pepper. Okay.
Let me see.
Pepper,
Oh,
the country pepper.
gosh.
You realize I want the spinach, everybody like look. Spinach, hold on.
Huh?
Just like the grandmother way. Grandmother old time style.
Old time style. Bring it back home.
Straight back of yard already, then get them as two peas here. With the
Yes.
plain rice.
Yes. Huh?
That's now.
What you say I don't know, chef?
I put out the 2 peas.
Gosh, you need 3 guys to lift up this pot as 2 peas, guys. Look at that.
Right. So I'm gonna put out this now.
Yeah. Guys, look at this.
Alright, so white I finish first cooking.
Yes.
So when I pour it out, I put it in container, put it in the warmer.
Okay, okay.
So this is how we do it.
Nice. You gonna cook more?
Yeah. And then we have. See the manish water. See the difference now in the manish water now? See the look start?
Yes.
See the bubble?
Yeah.
That's how manish water.
Look at that, guys.
See the color like that? Look.
Yeah, man.
That's real manish water.
Real manish water. That's what the chef saying. You remember when they go 9 night?
9 night. Only 9 night you can get them a manish water to drink.
Oh gosh. Look at that, guys.
The final lap.
Final lap.
Yeah.
You stir them up.
Yes.
Time. Then I put time in it. I always put time. You can see pepper boil from mine.
Yes.
So when I normally cut them up, we put them in the water if it boil. So see like one of them, see it? So boil to get soft. That's the pepper.
Okay.
So so when you get the soup, you're gonna get, you see, you can get the goat head, the goat foot, everything in it. The tripe, everything.
Nice.
Okay, so look at the color. Yellow yam, you get the banana. These are the banana in there. Yellow yam in there.
Yeah.
Everything you get.
Everything. So you
Now
just
potato soup.
nice.
Okay,
Look at that, guys. The
with a
pumpkin.
good tripe.
Yes, and the tripe and everything. Wow.
This is the banana.
Oh gosh.
Straight backyard.
Straight backyard. Yes, guys, as you can see, the chef have over 60 pounds of curry goat here so cooking, and him have 50 pounds of oxtail there cooking. And him said when that finish, I'm gonna put on a next pot and that gonna finish today. So tell me, what you say, top chef? What you say, chef?
So on a soup is there like today.
Yes.
Put on a 1, 3, 4 on a white rice. You understand for the day?
Well, you said 2 pieces there today.
Yeah, man, a crazy white rice there, man.
Guys,
Yeah, crazy stew peas. You know, people them love them stew peas. Them have shell on stew peas. Sometimes we have 2 different stew peas. We have chicken foot. As the chef says, some people don't eat pork.
Yes.
So they would eat the chicken foot. So chef, we prepare a chicken foot stew peas and a pigtail stew peas.
Okay.
So them have option.
Options.
Yeah.
You see that, guys? So if you don't eat pork, no need to worry. Come down here, you still get your chicken foot.
Fish.
Chicken foot. Yeah, your chicken foot stew peas. Alright, guys. And then 2 pot of soup over there, so go in.
Yeah. And we'll still have an next pot of soup to go on. After we still have a kong to deal with. Yeah, so kitchen still a roll, you know?
Kung soup, what the Rasta man in want.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So make you breathe up. Make it
I said, you know,
Healthy.
trouble soup that one day.
Alright, guys. You hear that? The Kong soup is a trouble. As you can see right here now, guys, chef add him hot scotch bonnet pepper to him soup. And see, the soup a bubble up right now. Yeah.
So now your cup.
He said, alright.
So now your time number 3. Tell me taste. Which one you like more? Which one you think better?
Yes. Well, you know, I can't be in the kitchen and see the chef cooking all of these amazing food. And we don't try it, right, chef?
Okay, so now your taste.
Alright. See that, guys? Hot. Nice, man. Flavor, tastes good. Guys, look at this. You can see the steam coming up. Nice, man. Okay. Nice manish water. Nice. Tastes real good. No joke, chef. Tastes real good, man. As I was saying, like the real ram goat.
I know you're gonna taste the next one now. So you have 2 different pots. So you're gonna tell me which one tastes better. With 2 of them same taste you get.
You hear that, guys?
So you're gonna send me.
Look at this. Tastes real good. As what the chef saying, it'll bring you back like in a 9 night. Oh gosh. Yes, guys, look at this. Look at that. All right, that one there. Honest, guys, that one there. A little bit more season, more thing. This one a little bit balance, a little bit on the center side. You understand? Yes. So that one there, me think more have more flavor into that one here.
Okay.
The reason why? Tell me a reason why, chef. All right, that one you finish season up. That one already?
Almost done.
Almost done. And that one you finish season up already. See, guys? Yeah, man. Can tell because it tastes good, real, and that's some manish water for taste too. Yeah, man. Like it. Flavor there, everything. You know what I mean? You taste the real season, the pumpkin, everything in it, guys.
Let's take off that one.
You know, so I have to get my big cup later on. Because
Yeah, so later on I'm gonna drink a big bowl and sit down.
a big bowl and sit down. You hear that, guys? Gosh.
No, bucket in the right to the front there, so. So make sure you see my take my cook, see my down in.
Yeah.
See, look. So you make it 20 tender then, almost tender. We're gonna cut up the seasoned feet. We put Irish potato in here.
Yeah.
Potato.
Yeah. Okay, so you cut up all the season when it almost finished to cook.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, you can't see the food because the steam that coming out from this. Oh, gosh. Oh, you're just adding your
Potato.
potato to your curry goat.
Yeah. So you have some people definitely tell you, oh, they want to go on potato alone. They don't want the goat meat, they want the potato with the gravy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When you're cooking your curry, you have to make extra gravy.
Yeah.
You have to lick your finger. Oh, guys, you hear that? Guys, that's the pot. But them cook the goat in. Look at that.
Can go it? Can manage?
Oh, gosh. Guys, look at that. Look at the big pot of curry goat. No, with that
This
pot.
one is already known for curry chicken.
Hold on, what you said? This pot gonna ready for curry chicken?
Curry chicken.
Oh, gosh.
We're going to start curry chicken now.
See there, guys? Oh, gosh. This is the oxtail pot.
Yeah, we just take off it, empty out that, put down curry chicken now.
Oh, gosh, guys. Look how big the pot is.
But normally, some people make curry chicken, they put the curry pan chicken now. They put it in the oil.
In the oil.
Burn the curry first
Yes.
before.
Oh,
So that
okay.
means when you eat the curry chicken, you're not on the belly hurt, nothing.
Yes, yes. You make sure you burn the curry first.
Always burn the curry first.
Yes. Okay, I'll make some season for the curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
Okay.
Beat it. We don't cut it up, we don't beat it.
Beat it.
Okay? So you get the flavor in it.
Yes.
Beat it.
Yes.
Onion. Pepper, give me some pepper. Okay. We put everything in it. The seed, everything.
Everything in it.
Everything in it. Until the stem come out.
Oh.
For the flavor in it, kick in it.
Yeah, man.
You want to get it hot. Okay? So you want can take a little bit more pepper. Red mix, everybody mix up together.
Okay.
Curry, you know, when you use curry, you have to have pepper in it.
You have to have pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So if you can't eat pepper, don't buy curry. You understand?
Yes, because when you're eating a curry, chef, you have to have pepper. You have to taste the curry. You have to taste the spice.
Yeah. That's traditional dish.
Well, you know, when you taste curry, you know, it'll bring you back to the Caribbean or the
Caribbean.
Indian, you know?
Indian. So you have to have pepper in it. If you
Yes.
have pepper in it, it don't make no sense.
Yes.
So you have the pepper, your pimento seed, okay, garlic now. So I will tell you, garlic is a must. We use garlic. So we beat the garlic, beat it out.
Oh, you beat out your garlic.
We don't cut it, we beat it out. Okay? Natural. No powder garlic powder.
Yes, guys. What you say, chef?
Curry chicken. Now we have garlic, onion, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, and a piece of ginger. Always let the ginger to curry.
Yes.
So, you know, and we burn all this in the oil. Okay. Onion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, look at that.
Okay, then we're gonna add the curry, better black curry.
Better pack curry.
Everything yard style.
Everything yard style.
Yeah, we burn all of that. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys.
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken.
All right. See. So no curry upon it. Okay.
So you season it, but you don't add no curry on it.
Season it already, but no curry on it. So now
Oh.
the curry in the oil I burn already.
Yes.
So we're gonna stir up all of that now. Combine
Okay.
it. Okay.
Yeah, man.
So now we're digging down. Okay. Then you start to mix the curry now. Now I tell you start putting the curry now.
Okay. So you just mix up the curry with the chicken and the stuff.
Yes.
Huh?
Take time getting color now.
Yes. Yes.
That's how you season your curry chicken.
Yeah, man. And you see you get the color right there.
Right.
Yes, man. Make sure you burn the curry first. Yeah, man.
Then once you high up on the curry,
Yes. Yes.
curry come out smooth.
Yeah.
Now man, you know feeling curry green in your mouth, everything is smooth and nice.
Yeah, everything cook out and nice. Yes. Yes.
You see the difference what it look now?
Yeah.
What give the color?
I don't know if you can see the color like that through the camera, but guys, look at that. Man, the color just rich and the aroma just coming off the pot right now. You know? Well seasoned.
So now we're gonna add little water in it.
Oh,
Not too
okay.
much water, making the cooking slow.
Oh, okay.
So we add a little water in it.
Yeah.
You throw the water upon the meat, when you throw it at the corner, then go
Yes.
underneath, and take time simmer. Steam and spring in one water. Curry chicken spring in one water, you know?
Yes. Yes.
You know we need to get the potato with this up in it, you know?
Okay.
So that's the next trick again, the potato,
Need the body.
get the body. So you don't have to
Yes.
use no cornstarch and no flour. You see what no?
Yes.
You see where stuff like no cornstarch, no flour, no
Chef,
stuff.
me not gonna lie.
Everything
me
is
not, me not
natural.
see no season, no powder season or nothing. Everything
Yeah.
natural.
Everything natural.
That's what I love about this kitchen so
Okay.
far. Yeah.
And we don't cook with sugar and then that's something where you say sugar,
know-
rice and peas, sugar, everything.
You know use those stuff.
Nah. The only thing we use sugar in our coleslaw, those stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Yes.
the only thing we use sugar for.
Yes. Yes.
Everything cooked natural.
Natural.
So we cook it for more older flow people,
Yes.
diabetes.
Yes.
For them. So
So
health,
if-
you don't have to worry about your health. Like eating your health. No salt. For salt, food,
Yes. You know use no salt. Everything natural.
we're gonna get the seeds up.
All right.
Okay. Now, the onion, everything is to make the curry chicken look more presentation when you share it.
Yes.
So you have all that tonight. So you get like a potato, carrot in there, onion.
Okay. Huh?
And a little bit more water
So that's why I noticed, chef, you just pour the water at the side.
on the side. So you throw it on, you go wash it out the side and take time steaming.
Oh, okay. The water steam down from under the bottom.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
You want your food taste good. You
Yeah.
want to get the cake. You share the carrot, you make it have a little color, different color in it.
Yes.
And the potato, them dice up.
Nice. And they love their curry chicken here, chef.
Yeah. We have the home-style chicken, but we don't make home-style chicken today. That's the
Okay.
one everybody loves, the home-style chicken.
Yes, that's the frigassee.
Yeah, like a frigassee.
Yeah.
We brown it and we
Yes.
make it just like big, like fried chicken.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so you get the big size pieces.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the one everybody crave over.
Okay.
So that done yesterday.
Oh,
So every day we change.
different.
Yeah,
menu.
different menu.
Okay.
So you know, I get the same thing every day. I come and get the same thing I eat.
Yes, yes. So we're looking about
So these are the conch soup we're gonna start now.
Okay.
Okay, so we already pre-cook this one. So, you
Okay.
know, get it tender.
Yes.
So these are the conch.
Okay.
Alright, so that's the conch then. Cook the conch.
So you pre-cook it before?
Yeah, pre-cook that and say get tender. So
Okay.
easily cook.
Yes.
Okay. We beat it, cut it up.
Yes.
That's a conch.
Cause you have to beat it and to get it soft, right?
Because it takes long to cook.
Yes. Yes.
So now we're gonna have to start now.
Okay.
We're gonna hide everything, the pumpkin and all those stuff in there.
Yes, yes.
The feet.
Yes, that's what the man them love.
Yeah.
They're crazy for it.
And you gotta get pumpkin, okra, all that stuff in it, you know?
Wow.
When you drink it,
Yes, yes, yes. Pimento seed.
yeah.
So this is for
Pimento
the conch soup.
Conch soup.
This is some scotch bonnet pepper.
Try to use the green one then.
So the difference, the green one them have more flavor?
Green one them ready for the soup, flavor, different flavor of the soup. So wash them off anyway.
Yeah.
And then boil in the pot. When you cut them up,
You know, cut them up, you just drop it in the pot like that.
drop in the pot, see like that. Garlic you put up, see how. Put up fine.
You get all the vegetables, your seasoning ready for the conch soup.
Conch soup. So it's all boiled tonight.
Yeah.
Stir that.
Oh, so pumpkin.
Cut up already. Wash and cut already. Prepare from last night.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, guys. See? I'm gonna see you leave the skin from the pumpkin,
Yes.
chef. So the skin where do you bring the
body,
flavor?
the body, the flavor.
Yes.
Okay? A lot of people don't know that.
Okay.
This one now.
Whoa! Nice. Look at this. So this is your chicken foot.
Chicken foot, 2 peas.
2 peas.
So this start bubbling. See? Peas and now start change color.
Yes.
No pork.
No pork.
Okay, everything else will start boil and mash.
Yeah.
Put the spinach in the same way like that. Same way. We're gonna season up in the same way.
Yeah.
Everything that I'm in it. Add the coconut and you're good to go.
Okay. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, let's start now.
Alright.
So you see your look now?
Yes.
You go back again, you see different color,
Alright.
different texture.
Yes. Yes, guys, as you can see, 8:30 in the morning, the chef already have him curry goat finish. He have him oxtail finish. And you see, jerk chicken almost ready to go on the grill. Yeah, man. And them stew peas. Stew peas finished. What you say, chef?
Pig steer soup is ready.
Pig steer.
Oxtail ready.
Oxtail ready.
Rice and peas ready. Plain rice ready. Curry goat ready.
Yes. Gosh. Guys, so, you know, and everything cooked from scratch early in the morning.
Nothing make put now in a fridge.
They said nothing cook and put down in the fridge. Yes, sir, chef.
It's going to get now.
Nice.
The soup peas are cooked now.
Alright.
You want the spinners, them are going nice too?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Give me up time, you know. Time.
Time is a master.
Yeah. I always have time and everything. See, look at the soup peas on there, look. That's
Yes.
the chicken food. Come on, look now. Get pretty and look.
Yes.
Chicken foot stew peas.
Ready. Guys. Look at that. Huh? Gosh. Yes. Fresh. Nice.
Not too dry, not too wet.
Oh gosh, what you say? Outside, chef?
Outside in the winter, yeah, you know?
Yes.
Mad thing, man.
So we are put on the grill now.
You know, so some jerk chicken though. Just
Okay.
to come out of the oven.
Yes.
You know, so them well fresh.
Alright.
Ready to go up on the grill.
Yes. Look at this. As I can see, you know, outside, look on the ground. You know, say snow.
Yeah, man. Inna the cold.
You know the cool.
I know inside where they are outside.
Outside.
Yeah,
Can
man.
see all the steam, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Yeah. As you can see, now, guys, they're removing the snow from the road. You have the truck and the snow plow. And look, guys.
Cold.
Cold. Yeah, man.
Them say today what? Coldest day in the month? In the year?
The year, the coolest day. Them said
Coolest
today
day.
is, yeah, because them said today is Canada is one of the coolest country in the world.
Yeah, man.
As you can see still, you know, guys, you see we have our jacket and you know, so outside still cold.
Still cold, brother.
Yeah, man. Look at this. Nice.
So you know, we're not gonna make them stay upon them too long because them already. Huh?
Yes, yes. Look at that. Yeah, man. Guys. See? Man, the aroma we are kick up from this, guys.
Yeah, man. Smoky.
Yeah. As you can see, you know, guys, we're here. Top Chef J.A. Cuisine. Yeah, man, Toronto.
Drop chicken. Cause
We just a smoke
we
it.
just a smoke it. We not really burn it up, you know?
Yeah, yeah, just a smoke
just
it.
a smoke it. I'm gonna get some more smoke, cause at least I kick up the smoke, yeah, you know?
Yes.
Get some gravy, you know?
Gosh, look at that, guys.
Lock him down, make him
Make
smoke
all the
up.
set, the strap in that.
Yeah, man.
Guys. Well, we bring Jamaica right to Canada in the cold,
yeah,
eh?
man, outside.
Outside. Marco.
You remember? Say water has come up in it now?
Yes,
Bring
yes.
up one water in it if you have more juice in it.
Yes, yes. See all the steam coming from that now, in chef.
Yeah, see? Time you always use. That's what I mean to use, time.
Time.
Always use time.
Yes. Time give the flavor, chef.
That's the natural.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. One steamy now.
What you say, chef? No microwave.
No microwave.
Yes.
So no microwave. Look around, no microwave. Everything just straight from the stove.
Cook from scratch.
Yeah.
And what you realize it come from early in the morning too. Make sure everything cook from scratch. Yeah, man. Kong soup a bubble. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Gosh. So this is going to the Kong soup. So these from our chef.
Soup. Kong soup.
Okay.
Let me get the hot pot too. So you have your vegetable in the soup, you know?
Yes.
Okay. This is ready for the Kong soup. Okay, so number one, we take off the, you see, we have cut it up. Tip. So no leak.
Okay.
If you cut it here, so the leak. Slimy.
Okay, so you just cut it at the tip.
Yeah, tip. That's it. Done.
Guys, look at that. That's the okra for the soup. Yeah, man, the Kong soup, guys. Just like that. That, guys.
Just squeeze them.
Squeeze them.
That's it.
Oh gosh. So you get the flavor. So right here we're adding, chef.
Pepper and garlic tomatoes.
Okay.
Always a must time.
It's a time always a must. See that, guys? Oh gosh, you can smell the aroma coming from this right now. You can smell all the seasoning, the pepper and just put in there with the thyme. Yeah. Chef, how the soup coming on now?
See? Come on now. Soon make it ready.
Oh gosh.
Come. We're back home tonight.
Yes. Yes.
You drink it? Get a hook.
Yes, guys, as you can see right now, the chef just started to season up his soup, the Kong soup. Yes, guys. Oh, yes. So his soup coming on now, chef? Yes.
Vegetable, vegetable.
Let me see okra. Gosh, pumpkin, guys. Okra. Yeah, and the pumpkin, guys. Look at that. You can see all the vegetables you have in there. Nice. I'm just saying a big pot of soup. Kong soup.
Kong soup. Make them wash them off.
Okay.
So,
See that, guys. So you say, chef, you're gonna season up the fish? Okay.
all right, now we're gonna season fish.
Okay.
So, see inside, clean. Okay.
Yes, yes. Wash, I say wash it off and make sure it's well clean.
Clean out. No gill and stuff on the inside there.
Yes.
And season inside. The head, the fish head, if it tastes good, it's put saltish like.
Yes.
Then it's cut part inside, so you core fish. Okay, that's it, done. Then
Okay.
same way, everything same way, inside the head,
Yes.
then the cut part, the core.
So chef, you have one here so for your fish and one for
One for
your
chicken. So this one
Okay.
for chicken, then start to fry.
Yeah.
Then we put the chicken after. Chicken over yourself, fish over yourself.
Okay.
This is the chicken one.
Yes.
Turn on already. I'm gonna show you what's fry for chicken.
Okay. Gosh.
Everything.
All right. So your flour already seasoned, chef?
Seasoned up already.
Yes.
Have everything in there already. Good to go.
Okay.
And then
That's ready to drop into the oil now. Ready to fry.
just like the kernel.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so then should I wash off my hand, clean my hand back.
Yes.
Okay, so you knock them off.
Yes.
So see.
Okay. So how long you make these fry?
So when after you drop everything,
yes.
make sure everything drop,
Yeah.
and then you set the time after 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay.
You get them well perfect.
Yes.
No blood.
Nothing.
You're gonna try a piece after.
Of course. Of
When
course.
you're ready, you're gonna chop a piece, you're gonna try it 10 minutes.
Gosh. Yeah, man. What you say, chef? Fish ready? Okay. Right now you have a chicken and you have a chicken going. Alright. What you say, chef? Just give it a nice stir now, yeah? Yes. Yes. They say chicken ready. Nice. Golden brown. Guys, look at that. Look at that.
Well done.
Yeah, well done. Gosh, look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Nice and juicy, chef. Golden brown, eh? Look at that, guys. Guys, look at that. Nice and juicy. Gosh. Yeah, man. Yo. Oh, right, that's a chef. Where's the chef? Me have a try a piece of the fried chicken. Guys, look at that. Get it the real way, yard style. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Gosh. Yo. Oh, gosh. Yeah, man. Do it the real way, you know? No, chef, I don't need no fat, man. Look at this right, man. Look at this, guys. You know, say it just came out the fryer. Look at that. Juicy, man. That's that. Boy, the chef in a miss at all. In a miss. Tastes nice. Fried chicken. Bad, man. Up. Fried chicken tastes good. So, chef, what are you looking about now?
Escovitch the fish, so you can slice them.
Yes.
Onion ring.
The onion ring. Yeah.
Pepper.
Pepper is a must. You have to have the hot scotch bunny pepper on your Escovitch.
sure that's nice first.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Nice. Some vinegar. Yeah.
You go saute it.
Yeah.
A little bit of oil.
Drop like a maggi in there to get like a flavor.
Fresh.
Yes. But that's their Escovitch. So that they're gonna put all over the fried fish that you see they fry earlier. Yeah. Yes. So you're sauteing it now.
Saute it.
Yes.
Not put out too much. This one you not put out too much.
Okay.
Saute it, you have a flavor nice.
Yes. Nice.
It will be crunchy.
Yes. Yes.
Gathering them.
So this now you're just gonna pour over the fried fish that you have. Okay. Yeah, man. Some good Escovitch fish. Yes. Look at that, guys.
It's going to be fish, see? So we have our stuff then.
Yes.
Onion.
Nice. Nice. Look at that. Oh gosh. Yeah.
Very good. Get the onion then.
Nice.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Now we get some of the pickle. Our sauce. Akee.
Guys, as you can see, you know, we're in the kitchen from in the morning, watching how the chef them cooking up all of these amazing food. Hey, chef?
Yeah, man.
I tell you. Yeah, man, big up the chef, you know. Yeah, man.
Get them there.
Oh, so you're doing the barbecue fry now?
Barbecue fry. Then we're going to put them in the sauce and put them in the oven.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Look at that, guys. You know, say people love them barbecue fry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Barbecue fry, a thing where you may not know. I love their barbecue fry.
So it becomes juicy.
Yes. So this now you're gonna put in the oven?
Put it in the oven.
Okay.
Yeah. Get in.
Yes, guys. So as you can see, that's a barbecue fry right here. Okay. Yeah, man.
That's a steaming barbecue. We're ready. Look at it.
Barbecue
Just
fry,
coming
nice,
out.
eh? Look at that, yeah.
We're ready to go.
Yeah, man. So early in the morning, you say you have to come and get your breakfast.
Every morning, brother. Every morning. When you want some Akee and saltfish. Me's not an Akee man still.
Yes.
So me normally, sometimes I call him and ask him to do something special for me. And he will do it for me. You know what I say?
Yes.
You know, some little vegetable or some little, instead of putting the Akee night, some saltfish and, you know, whatever I want. But me always there.
Okay.
Always.
Okay.
Stew peas on a Tuesday or a Friday. Me there, because I'm a stew peas man. Love me stew peas. You know what I deal
Yes,
with?
yes, because me see you have two different kind of stew peas.
Yeah,
right now.
man. Me's a chicken foot man. Come on, me not the Trenton, you know?
You like the Trenton?
No, sir, me like the pork.
Alright.
You understand?
Alright, yes.
So I love me chicken foot. So I come and get a little chicken foot stew peas. And I love that. You know what I mean?
Alright.
Yeah,
yes,
man. 100.
yes. So, yeah, I tell the people them say they have to come down here and try the food.
No, man. Top chef are the best, man. Right now, best thing in our Weston right now. Right? I support him from day one. I support him from day one.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
And me always have got the boat because he's a good youth, you know? And
Right.
he can cook. The
Yeah.
food tastes good.
Yes, man.
Right?
Yes.
For
yes.
who never have it in cow foot yet? Or bull foot, I want to call it. Proper. The thing turn up. May I tell you? Jerk chicken. Pan, you see the pan over there, sir? Pan the grill, jerk chicken. No oven jerk. Pan the grill, jerk chicken. You know what I do with?
Right, nice.
So may I tell you, say, the Top Chef really and truly though, everything good as the soup.
Yes.
You know, whether it's a manish water,
Yes.
whether it's a red pea soup,
Yes.
whether it's a chicken foot soup, it no matter what, man, everything is a proper. Curry goat, maybe the best around Toronto.
Alright.
Curry goat proper, yes, sir.
Curry goat.
Curry goat proper.
Yeah, man, come see him just put on 60 pounds and the man say him gonna put on more.
Yeah.
Because him say that gonna finish by today.
Yeah.
So you must know say that nice.
100 people, come check it out, man. Top Chef JA, best around. Anyways, I have to big up Kelvin still. Am I doing thing? And continue help him to do him thing because, you know, subscribe, whatever you have to do. The man not doing thing, man. So just help him out as much as you can help him out. You know what I deal with? Bless up yourself.
Alright, respect. So who am I here with?
You're here with Garfield from M&M Door Systems.
Okay, so what you do? You install doors and stuff like
Install doors, you know, sale, service, installation, everything.
that? Okay.
Garage doors, you know, overhead like doors,
Yes.
automatic door openers,
Okay.
entry door systems,
Yes.
dock levelers, dock bumpers, anything to do with doors.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.
Truck doors, so
Mhm.
anything to rolling doors, anything like that.
Alright, guys.
That's our business.
Alright, guys. So if you have any door or anything to install, just go and check him out. You have a business card or something with a number or
man.
something?
M&M Door System. Right
You
there.
see it here? Alright, guys. Yeah, man. Just go out there and check him out if you need any door or anything to install.
And this is all the stuff that you'll get done.
See it here, guys. Yes, yes. And you say,
Yeah, man. See the logo there?
alright.
M&M Door Systems.
Yes.
Give
Alright.
us a call.
Yeah, man.
You won't be disappointed.
Alright. Yes, guys. As you can see, look, the stove empty. So right now, I'm gonna wash and clean up and ready to do a next set of cooking again. Yeah, man. I'll show you, so the kitchen here, well active, guys. Yeah, man. Yes, chef. So you said, right now you just clean up everything and get ready to do our next cooking.
Yeah.
All
So by
right.
time
Yeah.
1, 2 o'clock, we have next ready again.
Okay, okay. So for all the people that are watching, what do you want to tell them? So just come on down here and come get some food.
Just try.
Try the food.
Yeah.
All right. So where you located?
So we are 1366 Weston Road.
Yes.
1367 Weston Wilson Avenue.
Okay, so that's for the next
We're
location.
pretty close.
All right. I always say Top
Top
Chef.
Chef J Cuisine.
All right. Yeah, man, thank you for having me here in the kitchen to just showcase it
Okay.
and let people see how you cook the food. All right?
Okay, cool.
All right, bless up.
Big up on yourself and my people. Hope you come to Top Chef Cuisine, is it? Soon.
Yes, yes. All right. Bless up.
Manners.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, big up the people, man. Just come on down to Top Chef and come check it out. Yeah, man, very nice food, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man, every day.
All right.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
Yes, guys, as we show you how the chef them were cooking from 6 a.m. in the morning with all these big pot of food. You see me, I say, chef? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. As what I say today, as what I say, you know, guys. See chef here, you know, and the owner of this, you know, Andre. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, just come on down to Top Chef JA Cuisine and check them out. Yes, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the video because it was an epic one. As you can see, all of those amazing food what the chef they were cooking. Yes, guys. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe, like and share and tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Yes, guys. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. God bless. Yes, guys, as you can see, look at this. Look at this. Look what we just get. Oh gosh. Yes, guys.